Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Today we have the newer version of the Olympia Cremina. This is one of my favorite machines because it's just solid and it's Swiss made and it just makes excellent espresso. Not mentioning that this machine can last you a lifetime if you take good care of it and service it every once in a while. 2-3 years, deep clean it. This one was sitting for a while, so we had some calcium buildups inside the sleeve. What else? Cleaned the side glass, serviced the vacuum valve here, and then also serviced the steam valve. And we're making this video to show one of our customers that it's working after the repair. We had also a major leak coming out of here, so I think it was building pressure, but it kept leaking every once in a while, so we fixed that. So that is working. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how we're pulling a shot. You can obviously see we're up to pressure, and there's no leak, so that's good. So we definitely have steam pressure. And this is not squeaking anymore, so that's nice. I also like that the default here is 1 bar, and it stays that way, so it means you're gonna have good temperature stability when coming to pull a shot. It's definitely gonna be closer to 200 Fahrenheit versus while brewing at 1.5, and then the water is just way higher for too high for brewing. So we can see we have a nice shower, no leak, and we are ready to pull a shot. So let's do this guy. Make sure this is aligned. Here we go. Just love the spouts on this thing. And let me just zoom in here so you can see. I'm gonna be pulling up for pre-infusion. Wait a couple seconds. Then once I'm getting the first few drops, then I'm gonna be pulling down. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And pull down. Also holding the top of the machine. Alrighty. Let's take a look. This was a little on the finer side, but shot looks very good. Lots of crema. So I'm happy. And I'm sure the customer will be happy too. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below, and you can also check us out on Instagram at Oz Espresso. We try to post daily, and we fix all sorts of machines. So if you like espresso equipment, this is where you should be looking for it. Alrighty, till next time, have a good day.